Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing essentials. Ensure your backups are current and accessible, and sign into your Microsoft account so activation and settings can restore. Next, create a recovery USB using the Media Creation tool on a working PC. Pick the correct Windows 11 edition. Once done, insert the USB into the affected PC, power on, and access the boot menu. This forces the recovery environment. Make sure Secure Boot and UEFI settings allow USB boot so the installer. You'll choose Repair your computer after booting from USB. That opens Troubleshoot. From there, select Advanced Options to run Startup Repair if Windows won't boot. This fixes boot records and drivers automatically. If you need to roll back, use System Restore to return to a previous restore point. This preserves your files but removes recent changes. If corruption is deeper, pick Reset this PC and choose Keep My Files or remove everything depending on whether you need a full reinstall. Once Windows restarts, reinstall or update drivers through Device Manager and check Windows Update to finalize repairs. Drivers often restore functionality. If issues persist, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. Finally, if the recovery USB didn't boot, try another USB port or recreate the media on a different PC. Corrupted media is a common snag. If activation or account sync fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.